Hi, hello, my name's Alexis, and today we're doing this look right here, which is no makeup with some new stuff. And it all turned out great, actually. So if you want to see how I did this look and achieve this quick, easy, no makeup, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with the NARS Velvet Matte Skin Tint. I think they're discontinuing this, but oh well. I have this in the shade Finland, which I know is going to be too light for me, but that's okay. That's what bronzer is for. Well, it's on my sock and my sweatshirt. Oh my god, this is already not a good day for me, and now here I am with makeup all over my sock. I'm just gonna blend it in. Whew, this very much smells like sunscreen. It has SPF 30. Very strong sunscreen smell. Oh my god, not even like a little bit sunscreen smell, like a lot of bit sunscreen smell. I look like a ghost. Alright, well anyways, it's a little bit too light, but really good coverage. Like, really good coverage. It's not accentuating any texture or anything either. I like that. Definitely a little too light, but we'll fix that, don't worry. I'm going to take the Boi-ing Airbrush Concealer. I have this in 2. I'm just going to use it with my finger. Oh, and now the concealer. No, my concealer's too dark. Oh boy. Guys, I've been having a rough day. And I thought this would make it better, but oh well. I'm going to powder, but I'm going to strategically powder. So I have the Candleglow from Mercier. So instead of powdering my whole face like I normally would, I'm just going to powder where I need it. So under the eyes, and I'm going to do like through the center of the face. So my forehead, my nose, the like smile line area, my chin. And I'm going to do a little bit like on my cheek here because this is where I get oily. So let's put a little powder there. Okay, that's it. It's all the powder. For my brows, I'm just going to use the Goof Proof from Benefit. This is in the shade 3. Actually, no, I don't want this. I lied. Now that the Gimmie Brow is back, I can use my Gimmie Brow from Benefit, and this is also in the shade 3. I'm using the old Gimmie Brow. The new Gimmie Brow is literally the same. It's just called Gimmie Brow Plus. So I'm going to use this. I don't need like a lot of fill-in or anything. I have plenty of brow hair. And there we go. Look at that. Amazing what a little bit of brow gel can do. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow because I feel with no makeup, just why? Why are you putting eyeshadow on? I don't know. But maybe back in the olden days I might have, but not anymore. So all I'm going to do is put black liner up here in my tight line to make my lashes look a little thicker. And that's it. I'm going to curl my lashes really quick. Ooh, it is windy out there. Jeez, oh my goodness. Let me zoom you in. There we go. For mascara, I have the new Superfan mascara from Smashbox. Plastic brush tip, which I like. I like when they're plastic. It's kind of like a little fat oval. This is not waterproof, and if I remember correctly, this is safe for lash extensions. And that's it. That's all the information I have right now. My lashes are falling down pretty quick. And I don't think this is a heavy formula. Like, it seems pretty thin. So that's what the mascara looks like. They definitely look long, but you already can't tell that I even curled my lashes. Like, it's dead. The curl died. So I don't know. It's nice and black though, which I like. I love mascara that is nice and black and not just like misty black. Anyways, for bronzer, I have the Perricone No Bronzer Bronzer. So this is bronzer. That's not bronzer. I don't really know how to describe this. So I'm just going to shake this up. I'm going to Squeeze the little thing a couple times to get whatever's in the dropper in with the rest of the stuff so that it gets mixed up. It's not just sitting in the dropper. So the directions on the bottle say to take 1 or 2 drops into your palm, rub together, gently pat onto forehead, cheeks, chin, and nose. I'm not going to put it on my palm because that just seems like I'm going to put it on the tips of my fingers. You could probably use a brush with this. I don't really have a brush for this, so I'm going to do this. So I'm going to take 2 drops, rub it between my fingers, and just pat it. Ooh, it looks orange. Just pat it where I would normally put bronzer. So cheeks, forehead, jawline. Okay, maybe in the camera it just looks orange. I don't know, I'm not looking in a mirror to do this. I'm looking in my viewfinder. Okay, it's not actually orange now that I looked at it in the mirror. It looks really good. It definitely looks natural. Like, definitely does not look like I have bronzer on my face right now. It looks like my skin. I think it only comes in this one color, so if you're any tanner than like medium, is probably not going to work for you. I'm pretty sure it only comes in this one color, but if you're like fair to the lighter side of medium, like fair to light medium, this would probably work for you. But I really like that. I like how that looks. I'm going to throw on a little bit of blush, and I'm just using, oh, there we go. I'm just using Mood Exposure from Hourglass. To highlight, I have another thing from Perricone, the No Highlighter highlighter. And I'm going to try this. This one does not have a dropper. It's a, if I can get it open, like a little doe foot applicator. So it says to shake well, just like with the bronzer. So I'm shaking it well. And it says again to put 1 or 2 dots, bridge of nose, cheek, and brow bones. And gently pat to blend. Okay. I'm gonna do like 3 on my cheekbone. And just pat it in. I'm not expecting like Anastasia type highlight with this. It's a little glowy. Maybe it's just my CC cream though, or the tinted moisturizer. I mean, like looking in the mirror, I can definitely see like the little bit of shine where I put it in the camera. It just looks like extra shine from the tinted moisturizer. I don't know, maybe when I put it down my nose, you'll be able to see it better. Just match the other side. It's pretty. It's very soft. Definitely like no makeup. Super soft. And it's not accentuating any texture or anything. I have a little, I've never mentioned it before because I've never had a problem with it, but I have this little teeny tiny itty bitty like only I notice it scar. As I was saying before, my camera so rudely cut me off. I have a teeny tiny like only I would notice it scar on my cheek over here, and I've never had anything, like I've never used anything that's made it look more like a scar, like nothing that's ever accentuated it or anything. And this is also not making it look any more scar-like than it already is. It's literally like the most faintest thing on the face of the planet, but I know it's there. Oh, see? Can you see it on my nose? It's pretty. It is pretty. Just super light. Like, if you are one of those people who are like, I need highlighter everywhere, all the time, this is not for you. I'm putting a lot on my Cupid's bow, though. Because y'all know me. So this is definitely, like, probably buildable to get a bit more glow, but you're never gonna get, like, high shine from this. You know what I mean? Look at how glowy my Cupid's bow looks. Ugh. As long as my Cupid's bow glows. And then to finish off with lips, I have a little Orgasm lipstick from NARS. I like that. I don't like the blush. The blush does like nothing for me, but I'm really liking this lip color. So here is the finished no makeup. Super quick and easy, like throw it on and go. Use stuff with your hands, don't even need brushes. But I like it. It's really soft and pretty. definitely like believable that I woke up like this, even though I definitely did not wake up like this at all, but you believe that I can. Maybe not the lips so much, but you know, maybe it's a tinted lip balm, you don't know. It doesn't have to be a lipstick, but yeah, I really like this. It's really pretty. So that was everything. I like the CC cream, I like the bronzer, I like the highlighter. The mascara just like is not giving me, like if it held the curl and didn't automatically weigh my lashes down, I'd probably like it a bit better. Lip color, I like. Just the mascara was the only thing where I was like, eh. But that's because my lashes stick straight out, so if I curl them, I want them to stay curled. But that's it. I like it. I can see how like softly glowy I am from like way over there now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye!